The countdown is on to the last total solar eclipse in the United States for over 20 years before it will happen again. The day the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting its shadow and blocking out the sun, is Monday, April 8th, around 2 p.m. And totality for people in the St. Louis area is just a short drive away.
These alignments are pretty rare, and being able to catch at least one of them really in your lifetimes is, I think, very special.
Tansu Dailan is an assistant professor of physics at Washington University in St. Louis. He's part of the Laboratory for Space Sciences at WashU Physics.
So I study transiting exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system. So the idea is that there's a planet, and that planet is around a star. The planet's orbit periodically crosses our line of sight towards the star. So that occults some fraction of the stellar brightness, and that allows us to basically first detect the existence of the planet, but then after that figure out something about its size and its atmosphere and even its contents.
Aligning his expertise with the alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth, Dailan will be sharing his knowledge at a free public viewing event in the Path of Totality. It's at Bollinger Mill State Historic Site, about a 2-hour drive from Washington University. Dailan and fellow WashU scientists and faculty members will be providing telescopes and short talks about the history of the eclipses and the science.
I will focus on these events called syzygies, and the solar eclipse is an example of that. But in general, if you have 3 objects in space, when they align, the observer can gather additional information about the physical system based on these alignments. So solar eclipses are such one event where we can get to study the corona. And in general, there are other alignments, many other alignments in the universe that we make use of, so I will be talking about these.
The total solar eclipse of 2024 is the last in the U.S. until August of 2044. And this one will be bigger than the one in 2017. The path will be wider and totality will last longer. That's because the moon will be closer to the Earth than it was in the 2017 solar eclipse. This year, the path stretches from southwest Texas all the way to Maine. It includes Missouri and downstate Illinois. In some Missouri cities, totality will last for more than 4 minutes. This path does not include the St. Louis area, but the daytime darkness is very close by.
People should not underestimate the uniqueness and importance and rarity of such an opportunity, especially if you're so close to totality already. I think it is definitely worth seeing this at the state park, Bollinger Mill. It'll be a little bit of physics and also just, safety around it.
And free solar eclipse glasses for safe viewing.
Before the totality actually happens, you see the last bit of light, which is known as the diamond ring, and then it goes away. You see these Bailey's beads that are just like spots on the rim due to valleys on the moon. And for a few minutes, you just see the corona, which is a very unique experience. And you get totality. And during totality, a lot of different things that happen around you. The birds stop singing, and it gets a few degrees cooler. So it's a very unique experience.
Dailan says this will be the 3rd total solar eclipse he will witness, and he wouldn't miss it for the world.
I think everyone should at least see one in their lifetimes. It's a very special occasion.